With Diwali season over, let's see 3 quick recipes with bachi kuchi mithai. In a large pan, we start out by heating up some milk. Then 1 cup chini, some crushed laddu, kaju और बहुत सारी crushed बर्फी. Mix it well until it's smooth. And yes, you heard it right. बचपन में हमारे घर पे कुछ भी वेस्ट नहीं जाता था because नानी would always find some inventive way to feed it to us. दिवाली के बाद when we would get upset about going back to school again, this is how she would cheer us up and get rid of the extra mithai all at the same time. और क्योंकि मैं हूँ ही थोड़ी extra, I serve it in a fancy glass with a sprinkle of kaju and some rose petals. And for my kids, I turn them into bite-sized sweets by freezing them in molds. The next one is something I could never be allowed to do as a child, but now I can. Perks of being an adult, I guess. एक bowl में we take pieces of milk chocolates and melt them. Then we cover the Gulab Jamun that Chacha ji didn't eat because he's forced into a diet with the melted chocolate. Sprinkle some pista and rose petals and serve it on your fanciest plate. This dessert right here is my dream and my mother's nightmare. You know, मेरे घर में festivities के बाद भी game night, brunch parties, कुछ ना कुछ चलता ही रहता है. With those occasions, I have a heavenly dessert that keeps one guessing. All we need for that is a glass of melted vanilla ice cream, crushed rasgulle, some pista and rose sprinkles. We layer them on एक के बाद एक and we do it twice for a mouthful of rich and creamy goodness. If you have this many tricks up your sleeves, you will never have to worry about wasted foods or displeased guests ever again.